Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about or we will do some translation. First, we will translate a passage. That is अनुच्छेद शिक्षक पिलामाने किए घोड़ा देखिच देखी verb tell me which is the verb
देखुछ
देखिछ which tense छ छाची which tense छ छाची ये present tense which aspect मु खाए खाइछि के खाउछि खाइछि खाइ आसुछि which aspect देखिछ ई छ where is ई छ perfect helping verb have has so have you who has seen a horse who has seen a horse children has not have किए देखिछ singular so have is plural has is singular the sentence is who what did I say who has seen a horse अच्छो आर ऐसे horse question mark children first children 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 comma who has seen a horse could understand next one is just 1 minute यार आकार और रंग किपरि अटे 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 को इंग्लिश रे कौन कहू आई हैव टोल्ड यू इज एम आर टुडे मॉर्निंग आई टोल्ड यू राइट इज एम आर सो यार आकार रंग किपरि व्हाट इज इट्स साइज एंड साइज मीन्स आकार रंग माने कलर व्हाट इज इट्स साइज एंड व्हाट इज its size size and color COLOUR color question mark or what is it like but what is it like होचे या किपरि so next sentence is यह एक उपकारी पशु what did I say यह एक उपकारी पशु verb tell me अटे no पशु is noun animal noun अटे omitted उय अछि से भीतर लिखा ही नहीं this is understood अटे अटे means is एमआर right तो यह एक उपकारी पशु it is a useful animal okay it is अटे it is a useful उपकारी useful animal okay next one is यह खूब शीघ्र दौड़ी पारे पारी अर्थ रे कौन व्यवहार करछि मॉडल verb I have told you several times पारिबा या पारिबा अर्थ रे को shall should will would can could may might must need dare ought to vitaru which one is used for pariba can and may remember I have told you so it can run very swiftly it can run run very sweetly SWIFTLY swiftly okay or it can run very fast it can run very fast 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 okay both are correct next one is तुम्हें घोड़ा परी चंचल दौड़ी पारिब कि पारिबा अर्थ रे कौन व्यवहार कराउछि जस्ट हाँ जस्ट आई टोल्ड कैन और में So let's do it. तुम्हें Question mark. Yes, no question. Can you run? Can you run? Yes. Can you run? As swift as a horse. As swift. SWIFT swift or fast. Fast as a horse. Right? Pari arthare as dash as. Next. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କୁହ ତୁମେ କେବେ ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ବସିଛ ହୁଇଚ୍ ଟେନ୍ସ verb is ବସିଛ which tense ଛ ଚାଚ ବସ ଇଛ
Present tense.
present which aspect perfect helping verb have has so have you ever mounted on a horse have you ever mounted on a horse? Right? Question mark. Now let's move to the next one, that is what? Tell me. That is dialogue. Salapo kathapa kathana. Right? What did I say? Kathapa kathana. Right? Gadhya. Who said Gadhya? Gadhya means what? Tell me. Gadhya means in English wolf. 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 Said. Kiye re seti? Kiye means
Who
is there? Who is there? Right? Who is there? Menda chua. Menda chua means what?
Lamb.
Lamb. LAMB. Lamb. Lamb. Aଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଛୋଟ ମେଣ୍ଢା ଛୁଆ ସାର୍. What did he say? Sir. Me, a little lamb. Sir. Me, it's me. A little LITTL, little lamb. Okay? Okay? Sir, me. Next. Gadhya ସେଠି କ'ଣ କରୁଛୁ? କରୁଛୁ. Which tense? Verb is କରୁଛୁ.
Present tense.
Which aspect? Progressive. Helping verb is MR ING. What are you doing? କ'ଣ means what? What
Are you doing there?
What are
You
you doing
there?
there? ସେଠାରେ question mark. Right? Next, ମେଣ୍ଢା ଛୁଆ means what? Lamb. କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା. nothing. Sir, nothing. No, nothing, sir. Just one. Nothing. କିଛି ନାହିଁ means nothing. Nothing, sir. ଝରଣାରୁ ପାଣି ପିଉଛି. verb. Tell me verb. ପିଉଛି. which tense?
Present tense.
which aspect? Progressive, continuous. ଖାଉଛି. amazing. ତ I am ପିଉଛି means କ'ଣ? drinking. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. ଝରଣାରୁ from the stream. ଝରଣା. Okay. Spring and also spring. Both are correct. Right? SPRING, spring. Right? Next one is, tell me. Gadhya. ମୋ ପାଣି କାହିଁକି ଗୋଳିଆ କରୁଛୁ? Gadhya means wolf. Wolf. Say Koruchu. Koruchu. Verb is koruchu. In which tense?
Koruchu.
Chochachi. Present tense. Which aspect? Koruchu. Uchu.
Progressive.
Progressive. Helping verb is ing. Why are you making
My water muddy.
muddy? Yes. Why are you making my water muddy? M-U-D-D, muddy. Question mark. Golia, muddy, muddy. Okay. Next one is Menda Chua. Means what? Lamb. Yes, lamb. Again, sir. ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା ବୁଝି ପାରିଲିନି ପାରିବା ଅର୍ଥରେ କୋଉ ହେଲ୍ପିଂ ଭର୍ବ ଲାଗୁଛି ହେଲେ ଆଇ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ଟୋଲ୍ଡ ପାରିବା ଅର୍ଥରେ ଆଇ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ଟୋଲ୍ଡ ୟୁ କେନ୍ ମେ ପାରିଲିନି କେନ୍ ନଟ୍ ବୁଝିପାରିଲିନି ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ କୁଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ସୋ ସାର୍ ଆଇ କୁଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ଆଇ did not make out you or I could not understand you. Understand you. It's the present verb of understand is make out. Make out. Understand. Right? The present verb of understand is make out. Could you understand? So that is the end of today's translation class. We will have more translations in our next classes. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.